Am I audible or not?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible, ma'am.
Yes, please put on your camera. Okay, no problem, Mustafa. It's okay. You can put off your. Okay, so now, children, in the last class, we were doing probability, right? I started the lesson probability, data handling, and we have completed the first part. Now we will complete with the second part, right? Yes, children. So in the last class, I started with data handling, but I don't think the data handling is coming from Duha or Mustafa, right? So children, we can do one
Yes,
thing.
ma'am.
Shall I teach you factorization? That's coming for Mustafa, not for Duha, but Duha, I think algebraic expressions are coming for you, right?
Ma'am, linear equations is coming for me.
Linear equations is coming, and factorization is a part of linear equations only. So you will anyhow learn that. Okay. Yes, Mustafa, can you tell me, did you send me the PDF for factorization?
Yes, ma'am.
You did? If you have the PDF with you in your phone, can you resend that, please?
Okay.
Duha and Harmeen, put on a camera.
Ma'am, my date sheet came.
Okay, when is your math exam?
Ma'am, I'm just checking right now.
Mustafa, I have the PDF for algebraic expressions and identities.
I asked them to share it.
Okay, I got it. Thank you. So we have factorization. Just give me 1 second, children. I'll be right back. Just a minute. Okay, students. So let's begin with
Mom, my exam's on 5th October.
in October you have your exams. Okay, and when is your math exam?
5th October.
Okay,
The
fine. So
second.
we have time. Okay, fine. So we have a month to revise. No worries. So now Mustafa, everyone just focus. Harmeen and Duha and Mustafa. So children, first of all, factorization of algebraic expressions we will be studying in this part. So first of all, children, you should know what is the meaning of factorization. Factorization means, yes, Harmeen.
Ma'am, is it a new lesson?
This is not a new lesson. This is basically a part of linear equations and algebraic expressions.
Oh,
The
ma'am,
topic has
so data handling is finished?
no data handling. A few questions are left. I will cover that as well.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So children, first of all, you should know how to do the prime factorization. So for example, I say 60. So how are you supposed to write the prime factors of 60? You write 60 like this. Now the smallest prime number is 2. 2 is the smallest prime number. Just check whether 60 is divisible by 2. Yes. So you will write 2 into 30 times 60. Now check again. Keep on checking by 2 only. So is 30 divisible by 2? Yes. So write 2 into 15 is 30. Then 15, is it divisible by 2? No. So what I will do, I will move to the next prime number. So after 2, the next prime number is 3. So just write 3. So 3 into 5 is 15. Okay. Now 5 is not divisible by 3. So go to the next prime number. Next prime number is 5. So 5 into 1 is 5. So the prime factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Right? So prime factorization is easy. Everybody knows that. Right? Everybody knows that.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So now the next is children. State the irreducible factorization of the following algebraic terms. Now, what is the meaning of irreducible? Irreducible means which cannot be reduced further. For example, I have like 2. Now, 2 is irreducible. Why? Because it cannot be reduced any further. It cannot be further factorized. Okay, like 3 is irreducible. 5 is irreducible. So, for example, I say 3x cube y. So how is 3x cube y formed? It is formed by multiplying 3 with 3 times x into x into x, and then 1 time y into 1. So answer becomes 3 into 3 into x into x into y. Right? Now next is 27 p square q square. So now first of all look at the variables. So variable is p square and q square. That becomes p into q into q. Now look at the number. So number is 27. Do the prime factorization of 27. So prime factorization is 3. Okay. Then you get 9. So again 3 and again 3. Right. So this is the irreducible. Now children, if I give you 42 PQR. So who will tell me what will be the answer for this?
Ma'am, 6 into 7
6
into
is not irreducible, Hari.
PQ.
I told you factorization you do.
Okay.
Do the factorization of 40. So
Ma'am, the prime factors are, ma'am, 2, 3, and 7.
very good.
And
So
P.
2 into 3 into 7 into P into Q into R. Right? Yes, student. Now next
Yes,
is
ma'am.
2x, 3x plus y. Now how will you factorize this? So children, you cannot factorize 3x plus y. Why? Because it is in addition format. So it becomes 2 into x. You can break down 2x as 2 into x into. Now this part remains as it is into 3x plus y. 3x plus y will remain as it is. Okay, why? Because this is being added. So you will not write 3 into x and plus y. No, you just write it together only. 3x plus y. Okay, right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, children, how do you calculate the highest common factor of monomials? So, HCF of monomials. So, I will give you one example. Okay, who will tell me what are monomials?
Ma'am, it's the expression which has only one variable.
Which has only one variable.
And
2xy is a monomial, but it does not have only one variable. It has two variables.
it doesn't have addition sign or equal to sign.
1, 2.
Yeah, exactly. That is the correct definition. It has just one term. Okay. Duha is also correct. It is not having any operation sign in them. But Duha, it still has a multiplication sign. 2 into x into y.
Yeah, ma'am, I said division, subtraction, and addition.
Okay. But you will understand monomials as the algebraic expressions that are having only one term. Okay. So now let's suppose the question is 6xy and 8x square y. Find the HCF of both of them. So children, what you will do is you will separate them and then work accordingly. So here the number is 6, here the number is 8. So what is the HCF of 6 and 8? How do you find the HCF?
By finding the common factors.
Yeah, so you do the
LCM.
factorization of 6, that's 2 into 3. 8 is 2 into 2 into 2. So what is the common factor? Only 2. So your answer becomes 2 is the HCF. So the HCF of 6 and 8 is 2. Now what is the HCF of the second term? Xy and x square y. See, xy is written as x into y and x square y is written as x into y. So your common term is x, your common term is y. So it's xy. So HCF of x square y is xy. So the HCF of 6xy and 8x square y is 2xy. 2 from the number side and xy from the variable side. Okay. Right, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, next is. Okay, children, now there is one more method by which you can find the HCF. So I could have also directly written, like I had 6xy. So I can write 6xy as 6 into x into y. I break it down. 8x square y can be written as 8. 1 second, children. Please correct that. 2 into 3 into x into y. 8x square y is 2 into 2 into 2 into x into y. So you circle the common terms 2 and then x and then y. These are common. So HCF becomes 2xy. You can also do this directly. Clear? Children, if you want to copy this, just quickly copy it.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy it. Then I'm writing some questions over here. You will find the HCF of those numbers. Find the HCF of 9x cube y and 18xy square. Second is it's 20x cube y square, 40xy square, and 60x. Just find the HCF of both. First copy this part, then you find the HCF of both these questions. Quickly to
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, Armin, what doubt you have?
Yeah, ma'am, like 18xy square is divisible by both 3, is divisible by both 2 into 9 as well 3 into 6.
No.
So we
Not
can
like
write,
that, Armin. First of all, I told you, you do the prime. You don't know how to do the prime factorization. You don't do it like that. You break down 18
okay.
as 2. You get 9, then again. 9 cannot be divisible by 3, but it's divisible by 3. Not divisible by 2, but divisible by 3. So you take 3, again you get 3. So 18 is written as 2 into 3 into 3.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yeah, so we have to do like prime factorization.
Yes, you will do like prime factorization.
Okay. Then,
And what about others?
ma'am,
Done,
I'm
ma'am.
still doing the second one. Oh, yeah, ma'am, now I'm doing.
Harmeen and Mustafa has completed, right?
Ma'am, I'm also. Yes, ma'am.
You're also done. Okay. So now, children, the first one you look at 9x square by an 18 xy square. Tell me the prime factorization of 9x square by how do you do?
Ma'am, 3 into 3 into x into y.
Very good. And then for 18 xy square?
2 into 3 into x
2
into
into
y
3
into 1.
into.
Very good. 2 into 3 into 3 into x into y into y. So you get 3, again
X
3,
and y.
x, then y. So answer is 3 into 3 into x into y. So answer is 9x. Okay. Everyone got 9xy?
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is children. Okay, now factorization of polynomials using HCF. For example, you have 35 plus 25. Okay, now children, look at this thing. When can I write 35 as 5 into 7 and 25 as 5 into 5?
Yes.
You see 5 is common over here. So I take 5 outside the bracket. I am left with 7, then a plus sign, then 5. Right? So my answer is 5 into 7 plus 5 is 35. I'm sorry.
12.
7 into 5 is 35. Sorry. Yeah. I have to do plus. So that becomes 12. And 5 into 12 is 60. Okay. So that's 60. Now, similarly, children, can you tell me how will you do 35? Or how can you do 8x square minus 6x square y? I'll teach you this one also. 8x square y, how can I write down now? 2 into 2 into 2 into x minus 2 into 3 into x into y. I can do this. Right? Now, children,
Yes.
what is common over here? You have 1, 2 and 1, 2. So write down 2 outside the bracket. X and x, write it outside the bracket. 1 more x and 1 more x, write it outside the bracket. Inside the bracket, what do you have now? From here, what is left? 2 into 2. So 4 is left minus 3 into y. 3y is left. Right? Right, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So now 2 into x is 2x square in the bracket 4 minus 3y. So now children, this way you got the factors of 8x square minus 6x square y. What are the factors? The factors are 2x square is one of the factor and 4 minus 3y is another factor. So factors are 8x square minus 6x square y are 2x square is the first factor and 4 minus 3y is another factor. Okay? Understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Copy this down. Copy this down.
Done.
Yes, what happened? Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Done or any doubts?
Yes.
Anyone got any doubts or completed? Okay. Now, children, next one is similarly, can you also factorize 72x to the power 4 y to the power 3 minus 54x to the power 5 y to the power 2 with the same method? First, you do the prime factorization of 72 and 54. First, you factorize this number, then this number, then find out the common terms, take out the common terms, write it inside the bracket like that. You do complete this question.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, children, shall I discuss the answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Shall I discuss the completed one of you? Okay. So how will I break down 72?
2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
Multiplied.
So how many times 2?
3 times. 3 2 times.
And 3 2 times.
Okay, and then x can be written as x into x into x into x. Okay, this is one thing. Minus 54, how will I break down?
1 2 into 2 into 3 into 3.
Okay, and then 5 times 6. And then y,
Y.
right? So common, write it down. Again common, write it down. Again, no, now not common. When you have 3 common, write it down. Again, you have 3 common, write it down. X common, write it down. X one more time. See, basically x will come 4 times common.
Ma'am, for 54, it will be 2 into 3 into 3 into 3.
Okay, is it like that?
Yeah, ma'am.
So we are getting 2 only once and 3 twice, right? Then y how many times common? 2 times only. Okay, in the bracket now what is left? 2y is left minus 3x is left. Okay, and outside the bracket what I have? 2 into 3 is 6 into 3 is 18, x to the power 4, y to the power 2, 2y minus 3x. 3x. Okay, so this is the solution. So the factors are 18x to the power 4 y square into 2y minus 3x. So this is one factor and this is another factor. Okay. Shall I move to the next one now?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
So now to this one. Factorize 18 a square b cube c minus 12 abc plus 24 a b square c square. Okay, so children, now I'll tell you one thing. See, what can I do further to make the calculation easier? First of all, you calculate the HCF quickly. Okay, so HCF 18, 12 and 24. What is the HCF? Highest common factor you calculate?
Ma'am, 2.
No, that's not highest. Write down the
Ma'am,
factors. You
3.
don't have to think. Write down the factors and solve.
Ma'am, the highest common. Ma'am, first we have to find that by prime factorization, right?
Yes,
So
by prime factorization.
6.
It's 6 because see, 18 is written as 2 into 3 into 3. 12 is written as 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. 24 is written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, so 2 is common and then 1 3 is common. So HCF is 6. So you write down 6 outside the bracket first. Now a square, a and a. Which is the smallest power? A is the smallest power, a to the power 1. So you write down the smallest power outside the bracket. Now you have b. So b cube, b and b square. Which is the smallest power? B. So you write b outside the bracket. Then c and c square. So c is only the smallest power. So write c outside the bracket. Now in the brackets what you will do is, now just check here. 6 into how many times is 18? 6 into 3 is 18. So write down 3 inside the bracket. I mean, don't copy now. Just look here. So 6 into 3 is 18. Now, one of the A you have written here. How many A remains? Only one A remains. Then one of the B you have written here. How many B remains? B square remains. Is there any C that is left? No, because C you have already written outside. Then you put a minus sign. 6 into how many times is 12? 6 into 2 is 12. So write down 2. A you have written, B you have written, C you have written. So nothing to be taken as common. Plus 24. 6 into 4 is 24. So write down 4. A you have written as it is B square, but B. So write down 1B inside the bracket. C square and C, write down 1C. So answer is 4BC. So the factors become 6ABC and 3AB square minus 2 and plus 4BC. Okay. Just try to do this question now like this. And remember now this question, see the previous question also you could have done like this. Because 72 and 54, the HCF is how much? 18. Okay. So 18 into 2 times and 18 into 3 times and you'll get your answer. So try to do this question like this. Do it by this method.
Done.
Oh, all right. And what about others?
Done.
Mama, done. Ma'am.
Okay. So let's discuss the solution. Solution we've discussed. Let's move to the next one. So now, student, with the same approach of first taking the HCF and then writing the common things out, you will factorize the following. Factorize 36a square b cube minus 18a cube b square. The first one. Second one, you factorize minus 10a cube b plus 30 AB's cube minus 20A. Just do it and raise your hands when you're done.
Okay. Ma'am. Ma'am. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, completed children. So shall we discuss now? Shall we discuss now?
Ma'am, in the first question, I solved everything, but after the
Children,
HCF,
please
I'm
respond.
not getting the last. Ma'am, in the first question, I have solved everything, but after
Tell me what is
HCF method, I'm not getting answer.
Okay, no problem. What is the HCF now? Duha, tell me. Duha, your camera is off.
Ma'am, it's on.
Harmeen, what did you get the
Ma'am, the
HCF?
HCF is 18.
Yes, ma'am. 18.
Am I not audible, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you're audible.
You're audible.
Children, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. You're audible.
Yes,
children,
ma'am.
I just got some network issue. So I was discussing the answer. Now look here, children. First of all, the HCF of 36 and 18 is 6, right? 6.
Ma'am,
We will
it's 18.
Ma'am, it's
Yeah,
18.
it's 18. Yeah, it's 18 only. It's 18. So write down 18 outside the bracket. For a square and a cube, you will write a square. For b cube and b square, you will write b square. In the bracket now, 18 into 2 times is 36. Only b is left, minus 18 into 1, and only a is left. Okay. So answer is 18 a square b square 2b minus 1a. Okay. Now children, the second one, the HCF of 10, 30 and 20 is 10 only. A cube, A and A cube. You will just take A, B cube and B. You will just take B. In the bracket, you have A square minus A square. Why? Because it was minus 10 cube. Then plus B square minus A square again. Okay. Now children, you see what does it become?
Ma'am,
Okay,
it's
children,
3b
wait.
square.
You can do one thing also. You can just solve this thing. Was it B cube only or was the question different? B
Ma'am,
square.
for the second one, it's 3. I got 3b square minus a square plus 3b square minus e square.
1 second, wait. You take 10. Now, please change the question. First of all, this is b square. Yes, that's correct. And Duha, you will get 3b square. That's correct. And then minus 2a square and b. Okay. This is the solution. Right?
Ma'am, there's no extra b. Oh,
Yeah, I changed the question, right?
oh yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So now, children, I hope